Welcome back to the Sunny Vlogs. This will not be recorded, but so you see this is the magnet.
I've got my DIGITEK mic. Paenge mazze.
Hi you guys, welcome back to the Sunny Vlogs. I'm starting this vlog in the middle of the day out of nowhere because I just received my parcel, Amazon parcel, and I ordered a Digitech mic. If y'all don't know already, then last year I ordered a Digitech mic. This was that mic. I bought this for 999, and this year I thought of why not upgrade it. So I ordered a mic from the same company, Digitech, but of a higher range. So I tried of testing it out with y'all. So let's go. So here is a parcel. I don't know who she is. Who she is. I'm Mangeshwari, process assistant. As a single mother, I even completed my graduation. Thought possible. Stories of associates who deliver for us. Nice. Thoughtful. She is one. Mangeshwari. I'm Mangeshwari. That's one good thing that we learned. So we can do unbox it. So maybe just tear it away from here. Put it here. I really hope this is a big one. I bought this for 2,999. This is the packaging. So here it is. This mic is not omnidirectional. That means if I talk from here, or sideways, the voice will not be recorded. But this one is omnidirectional, and it says that no matter how you place your mic on your collar or in your hand, it will record your voice from all directions. Main difference. So okay, like this. So yeah, Digitech, they have this manual book, and here the charging cord. Most probably we'll just open the charging cord first. So this is the clip that we can just put in here. Yes, I don't know how to use it, but we'll figure it out. Something else. आते गिरा दिया मैंने. So do one. This mic has one receiver and two. This is a lightning cable. My iPhone model is the iPhone 13, so it won't connect directly. So I'll have to try it out, okay? And this is the cord. So here comes the main hero. We'll just open it up. Yay! So these are two, not one mic, but two mics. And this is the receiver that we have to connect to our iPhone. Just because my iPhone is not whatever, I'll have to use the lightning thing because I tried using this kind of mics of my friends on my phone, and we had to use this connector. So we're gonna do that and just tested our voice on that mic. I'll just receive and disconnect this mic, okay? See y'all. Say bye. Hi. So I've just connected the mic to the receiver, and this is what you're hearing with the new mic. And I'm going to show you with the second mic how it works. So you see this is a magnet. You can just stick it around anywhere with this magnet thing. And if you don't want to use this, I think we have alternatives as well. The clips, I'll show you. I'll try. So yep, I'm back. The storage got full, so I had to delete few here and there videos. So we are back with the storage, and I'm gonna show you the clips. If you don't want the magnet thing, and if you're insecure about it falling, then I think you all can use the clips as well. Where did I keep it? Here it is. So these are the clips. I don't know how to use it, but we'll figure it out. So here we have magnet as well. See? So I think we'll just stick it to here. Ulta like this and just clip it. So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel with the new mic on me. Here we come to the end of this video. So yep, that's about this vlog. If you liked it, do like, share and subscribe. If you want more of such unboxing videos, then please do comment on this video and let me know. And I really hope you have a beautiful day. Also, if you like this video, share it to your friends and tell them to subscribe. Also, I'll actually
सही टाइम पे चली गई, मेरा वीडियो खत्म हो गया। बाय।